The judge presiding over the ambulance case has dismissed all applications filed by Minority Leader Dr. Ato Forson and the third accused, Richard Jakpa, seeking to halt prosecutions against them. The applications were based on allegations of misconduct leveled against the Attorney General Godfred Dame. The judge, however, noted that the demands of the accused persons are alien to the criminal procedure of Ghana. There's more on the ruling in the following report.
The judge delivered two sets of rulings, one for each of the accused persons. The judge found that the court lacked jurisdiction to grant the demands for mistrial and an inquiry into the conduct of the Attorney General. According to Justice Ifiase, jurisdiction in criminal trials in Ghana is determined by statutes, and since there's no statute on these demands, the court cannot infer same. She then ruled that the audio conversation between Richard Jakpa and the Attorney General did not reveal any instruction from the Attorney General for Mr. Jakpa to implicate Ato Forson. She also found that the Attorney General did not make any statement that he needed the help of Richard Jakpa to prosecute his case. She notes that those claims were rather made by Richard Jakpa. For the judge, the only issue of discomfort is the fact that the Attorney General engaged with the accused person whom he is prosecuting, and the fact that he asked the accused to file a medical excuse. Justice Ifiase then advised the Attorney General not to be directly involved in the prosecution of the ambulance case, and DC's Director of Communications, Sami Jemfi, after proceedings indicated that the advice is an indictment on Godfred Dame.
Since Ghana became Ghana, from the days of attorney generals like Geoffrey Bink, have you ever heard a court telling an attorney general that I'm strongly advising you to stay away from a case? The attorney general in whom all the prosecutorial powers of state are vested, being told by a judge that I strongly advise you, stay away. This is a shame. This is a shame of a disgrace of monumental proportions.
Meanwhile, Godfred Dame has given indication that he will continue to prosecute the case.
Head of the church triumphant, we joyfully adore thee. And I said to you that they will lay traps, but all the traps I'll flee from them. And indeed, only righteousness will prevail. I think you remember you were in court, the judge herself, even after the ruling, clarified. I shall not give any such advice. And that is only an advice.
Yes.
And what you did notice, of course, I'm conducting the matter, I'm still conducting the trial. The most important point today is that all the applications filed by the applicants have been dismissed in their entirety.
The case will continue next week, Tuesday, where counsel for Ato Forson will be expected to continue with a cross-examination of Richard Jakpa. Reporting for ChannelOne TV, Hansen Ajiman.